So, how would you like to take advantage of $1 trillion a day industry and start leveraging money like the big banks? Take back control of your financial situation and become financially free. You become successful. With $1 trillion a day industry, you don't need the whole cake. Just a slice can help you accomplish your dreams. Welcome to Forex. Forex stands for foreign exchange. It's where people and big institutions trade one currency for another. And no, you don't have to have large amounts of money in order to trade. You can easily take your first trade today and risk as little as $1. No skills or knowledge? Don't worry, we'll show you how to set up a demo account, learn how to trade, and practice until you get a full understanding of Forex and how to trade the markets like a professional. Let the experts tell you exactly what to expect. You will learn from to seasoned 6- and 7-figure earners on how to trade Forex and start making money from your phone or computer. How cool is that? Learn trade terminology and ask questions in real time. Get trade alerts, fundamental analysis, market forecasts, and much more. Our objective is to get you trading it in 2 weeks. Do you know others that would love to take advantage of an opportunity like this? Why not be compensated by referring others? Now you can earn while you learn. The price for starting today is only $99 a month for a customer and $25 if you want to be compensated for showing others. But if you refer 3 customers, then your education is free. No $99. Bonus! If you're watching this video before October 1st, 2020, the entire month of September, you can sign up and test drive to complete system for $19.99. Yes, just $19.99 to test drive and learn a skill that can financially change your life for the better with zero recruit and nothing to sell. We all strive for different things in life. It's not always about how much fun you can make, for more so about how much time you get back from financial freedom. Started to get back with the person who shared the video with you. Don't waste any time. It's one of the most precious things that you can't get back. Join us today.